awards for movies. And the excitement continues to level up. And just like what they say, papunta pa lang tayo dun sa exciting part.
Yes.
Pero Bianca, alam ko, itong next category medyo close to your heart. Kasi you are part of one strong love team na real at real.
Grabe naman.
Ilang years na kayo ni Ruth? 6 years?
Yes.
Malapit na yan?
Sana. Sana nga. But anyway, eto Rapia. To be honest with you, I agree kasi ako napansin ko na in every generation, talagang mabenta sa moviegoers yung mga pelikula kapag may kalakot na love.
Oy, totoo yan. And our second award for this block ay para naman sa kakaibang friendship at suporta sa PMPC. Kaya nga siya tinatawag na Darling of the Press.
And here to present these two very special awards is a multi-awarded actor, director, and producer, and the president of Front Row International, R.S. Francisco.
Good evening, everybody. Narito ang mga love teams na nagpakilig, nagpasaya, at nagpaiyak sa atin noong nakaraang taon.
For Movie Love Team of the Year, Alden Richards and Julia Montes, 5 Breakups and Romance. Alger Abrenica and AJ Rabal, Sugapa. Carlo Aquino and Charlie Dizon, Third World Romance. Darren Espanto and Cassie Legaspi, When I Met You in Tokyo. David Licauco and Shaira Diaz, Without You. Miguel Tanfelix and Isabel Ortega, Firefly. River Cruz and Julian San Jose, The Cheating Game. Ruru Madrid and Yassi Pressman, Video City, Be Kind, Please Rewind. And the star goes to Alden Richards and Julia Montes for 5 Breakups and Romance.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Lourdes Fabian.
Salamat po ako sa bumubuo ng Philippine Movie Press Club, and congratulations po on your 40th year. Hindi po nakadalo ang aking co-love team na si Julia Montes, pero on her behalf po, I would like to receive this award. So, malaking part po ng buhay namin ni Jules ngayon yung 5 Breakups and a Romance, dahil marami po itong ituro sa amin na mga life lessons when it comes to personal life and of course sa love life. And papasalamat po ako sa bumubuo po ng 5 Breakups and Romance, JMA Pictures, Myriad Entertainment Corporation, and of course Cornerstone Studios, and to our writer-director muli, Irene Villamor, direct na tayong Movie Love Team. So maraming salamat po, magandang gabi po.
Congratulations, Alden Richards. Don't worry kung wala si Julia, Alden. Nandito naman ako. Kidding aside, let's meet the nominees for Darling of the Press.
For Darling of the Press, Alden Richards, Gladys Reyes, Gretchen Barreto, Liza Dino Seguera, Piolo Pascual, Senator Ramon Bongevilla Jr., Ray Anicot Chetana, and Senator Robin Padilla. And the star goes to Honorable Senator Ramon Bongevilla Jr.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC are GES Khan. Together with Binibining Playtime, Samantha Acosta, and Jan Yamato, lead marketing of Playtime. To present the additional award, the 55-inch Smart TV from Playtime.
For 40th Star Awards for movies, Ako naman, I celebrated my 50th anniversary in show business. Mas matanda pa rin ng 10 years. Pero ngayon ako nakatanggap ng Darling of the Press Award. Marami na rin tayong award na natanggap, pero special po itong Darling of the Press. Why? Dahil ang mga movie press ay napakalapit po sa aking puso. Sa mga nag-start po ng PMPC, like Manay Ethel Ramos, palapakan po natin. Kuya Ronald Cosentino. Is Kuya Ronald still alive? But yung mga ibang kasama natin. At yung mga officers and members ng PMPC, nakita ko kanina, wow, mukhang nagiging lola at lolo na tayo. Pero ganun pa man, sabi nga, wala yung edad kung ano yung pinagkatandaan mo. Let's leave a legacy for this industry, and that's what we're doing right now. Kaya utang ko po sa mga PMPC, sa mga movie reporters, kung wala po sila, wala pong Bong Revilla, walang Ramon Revilla, walang Pamilya Revilla dito nakatindig ngayon sa inyo harapan. Kaya PMPC, Star Wars, thank you for this award. And of course, gusto ko rin i-share ang award na ito sa darling ko, Darling Landing Mercado. Revilla. Thank you very much for mabuhay Landing.
Congratulations, Senator Bong Revilla. And now, on behalf of Lux White, my front row, it is my honor to announce the winner of the Lux White, my front row Celebrity of the Night. Congratulations to National Artist Nora Honor.
Lux White, my front row Celebrity of the Night will receive a plaque and 25,000 pesos in cash from Lux White, my front row.
Sa mga minamahal ng mga Noranians, lahat ng kailangan natanggap po namin dahil sa inyo, para sa inyo po lahat. Maraming salamat. At alam niyo po kung gaano po kayo kamahal mula sa puso.
Get ready for the next set of awards as the Star Awards for Movies will be right back.